Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club, just here with a quick unboxing video. I'm so excited. I got this special gift from Influenster. So if you guys don't know about Influenster, you can sign up and get free things like cooking stuff, makeup, coupons to different events for different things, all for free. And all you have to do is sign up. You don't have to pay any fees. If you do want to join through my link, I'll have the link down below so you guys can check it out. But I can't wait. I want to open this box so quickly because I have a feeling I already know what it really is, and I'm so excited. So let's just jump into it. One is muffins for me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. When you come this, it's free stuff Friday. So as you see, I didn't touch it. It still has like the shipping stuff on it. I didn't open it up at all, so I'm going to be opening it up with you guys here on camera. So I was really excited to get this package. As you can see, I'm trying to open it. Might have to get scissors. Maybe not. Ooh, yay! So it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow kit. I'm so excited. Normally I just use like an eyebrow pencil, or I'll use the Physicians Formula eyebrow kit, which is usually just the cream and an eyebrow brush. It's something very similar that comes 2 in 1. You know, I got it for CVS on sale. But this is so exciting because Anastasia Beverly Hills makes great products and I can't wait to try it. If you guys are wondering what this lip I'm wearing, it's a KVD Vegan Beauty in the color Rouge. So it is a matte lip gloss. Definitely check it out if you want. This video is not sponsored by any of these people, but I did receive this complimentary gift from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and let's get to opening it. Ooh. So I can't wait. This is so good. It does have the instructions on how to use the kit. It's really good. Okay, so we got a few things in the box. You can check it out. Whoop, it fell out. The first thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills stencils. So it helps you, depending on how you want to arch your eyebrows, you can definitely pick which one you want, and it has its own stencil for each one. They have petite arch, slim high arch, medium arch, high arch, and full arch. Probably a full arch. If you guys want me to do a video where I'm putting this on, just let me know in the comments down below. Alright, next is the Tint Brow Gel. It is in the color Chocolate. Usually when I do eyebrow pencils, I usually get like a dark brown. I do the same thing with my eyeliners. I try to stay away from getting black because sometimes it makes the eyebrows look too heavy, so I try to stay away from that. Alright, next is the Dip Brow Gel. So yeah, like I'm used to using this type of cream like from Physicians Formula. So I'm a little more comfortable with using this, but it's called a Dip Brow Gel. I'm sure it has like a little applicator, and it comes in the color dark brown. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. Yeah. It looks so good, and this is the 4.4 grams, so it's 0.155 ounces. So it's not that much, but it is a good weight and ounces for the product that it is. So yay. Alright, last but not least is the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. So they did give us a brow pencil as well. It is in the dark brown. Like I said, I definitely like to keep dark brown as a a tulle instead of the black, because to me it's better. It doesn't make me look a little goth. I don't really like that. It does have this little thing in here, so I definitely want you guys to see this. It says, create beautiful brows. Learn to craft with the perfect brow style with these simple steps. So yeah, these, they did come with the steps, like I said earlier. It says, get the look with the power of 3. So the first step is to fill, the second is detail, and then the third is finish. So it does give you like a diagram step by step on how to do it, and it's really good. It makes it simple and easy for you, so you can try it. If you want to see a video of it, they do have a scan me. You can watch. It's an SQR. I don't know if you guys can get that. Is that good enough for you? Not sure. But definitely this is a good idea for feathered and refined brows. I really like this. I can't wait to try this out. It's gonna be so good to try this thing out. Discover your perfect brow shape. Use Anastasia pattern golden ratio method to achieve your perfect brow shape. So it does tell you the starting points and how you need to start everything, from when you're making your arches, whether you're using the stencil or not. It does give you an example of how to get it done, so it's simple and easy. Because I think that the most important part, other than, you know, your foundation and your contouring, is your eyebrows, because your eyebrows can like literally throw off your whole look if they're not together. So Anastasia says, one brow does not fit all. This is the entire foundation of Anastasia Beverly Hills using the golden ratio method. The shape of the eyebrow is tailored to each individual face and unique bone structure in just 3 steps. Your personalized brows will outlast any trend. So that is from Anastasia. She started herself. I think that's pretty cool. I'm really excited for this influencer Voxbox this month. Usually they do give me boxes every like 2 to 3 months, so I was really excited that I got picked for this one. So I'm so excited. Create your brows, learn how to craft your perfect brows. Yeah, this is the pretty much the same thing, and it is also cruelty free. So it does have the stamp of approval with the cruelty free. There are a lot of products that do not are not cruelty free, but they'll have like the fake bunny on there, so you guys have to be very, very careful. It'll just have the bunny on there, but it won't say cruelty free. So make sure you guys check that out if you are someone who is very conscious of your products that you use and you want to stick to cruelty free. Make sure that you have the bunny with the ears that says cruelty free. Not sure if you can see that. I'm trying to zoom in. But yeah, definitely check that out. So I guess this is it, beautiful people. If you do want me to do a video, most likely I probably am anyway, just put a comment down below. Thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to be a part of this beautiful membership, all you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcurriculum@gmail.com. Alright, beautiful people, I will see you soon. Bye.